Okay, here's something that we need to do. I have WSL installed. If you don't have WSL installed, you need to do WSL like this, WSL dash dash install on a Windows prompt, not inside of the WSL prompt, and then get an Ubuntu instance. You can find the instructions on how to do that online if you haven't done that already. When you run WSL, you should have an instance. Here I'm using an Ubuntu instance that was start. Now, I'm not sure if this remembered it or not. Let's see something here. So if I say Python, it says Python not found. Did I mean Python 3? Well, just as a convenience for myself, I'm going to set up this quick alias so that when I type Python, it knows what I'm talking about. Another thing that I need to do, at least for this instance, is to go ahead and get some things set up in terms of the environment. I have this as a problem, and I'm going to need to restart the video. Nope. So Python 3 pip is what I need. And so I'm going to need to do sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Oh gosh, that's a long one. Okay, yeah, I want to continue that operation. So this is going to take a little bit. Something you may need to do to get that set up and running. Just to be aware that that's a dependency. So we'll let this finish. It's going to take a little while. I'm going to go ahead and I'll just wait. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to install some dependencies here. So now, if I try this again, pip install, I have more things to install. And once this looks like it's working, I'm going to stop the video. You don't need to watch it all install. But once this proceeds and there are no other problems, you would need to do the same. And of course, all of the instructions for the specific commands are available to collect and use, and I have them down below. And because it was taking a little while, I actually interrupted it and then went ahead and switched it from quiet to a non-quiet so that I could see the status. And it's taking me, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So this is the status of it. I'll proceed, and then you can work through the same thing on your system.